Hi team, welcome to this tutorial where we're learning to subtract decimals by jumping backwards along the number line. So with this question here, 8.4 take away 3.7, we start on the number line at 8.4 and we're going to jump back 0.4. So we take away 0.4, so we're obviously now at, I'll change colour here, number 8 on the number line. And then we're going to take a big jump, and we're going to jump 3 whole numbers. So we are minus 3. And we've taken away 0.4 and we've taken away 3, so the next little jump we need to do is minus 0.3, so that we've taken altogether 0.4 plus 3 plus 0.3 equals 3.7. So we started 8.4 and we jump back to 8, and then minus 3, we're back to 5, and then minus 0.3 gives us 4.7. So our answer to the question 8.4 take away 3.7 is 4.7. Okay, let's have a go at this next question. 6.3 take away 2.7. So on our number line we start at 6.3, so our starting point there, and we're going to jump back first of all minus 0.3, because you got the 0.3 there. Then we're going to take away 2 wholes, so we jump minus 2. Let me just make that a little bit clearer for you. Minus 2 there. And we've taken away 0.3 and 2 whole numbers, so what's left out of 2.7? We need to jump back minus 0.4. So we just check. 0.3 plus 0.4 equals 0.7 plus 2 equals 2.7. So if we start at 6.3 and then we take away 0.3, we're at 6, take away 2, so this jump here, we're now at 4, now we take away 0.4, so we are at 3.6, and the answer to 6.3 take away 2.7 is 3.6. Okay team, I'd like you to pause the tutorial here and have a go at working out 5.5 take away 1.8 by yourselves. When you've worked it out, press play and we'll see how you get on. Good luck. Welcome back. Let's see how we get on. So we start the number line at 5.5. Helps if I've got my pen selected, 5.5. And we're going to jump back 0.5, as it tells us there. And then we're going to jump back a whole 1. And the extra difference between 0.5 and 0.8 is a small jump of 0.3. So, in these 3 numbers, 0.3, 0.5 and 1 add up to 1.8 there. Let's go to blue. 5.5 take away 0.5 takes us to 5, take away 1 means we're at 4, and take away 0.3 gets us to 3.7. So the answer that you got was hopefully 3.7. Okay team, have a go at this question. It is a little bit different, so that'll be something for you to look out for. And pause the tutorial and then press play once you've had a go and see how you get on. Okay, welcome back. We start the number line at 6.6 and then we're going to jump back. This time it's 0.6 there, but we're actually only taking away 2.5, so we only need to jump back 0.5, and we also need to jump another 2. So this is a little bit different in that the tens digit here that we're taking away is smaller than the tens digit here, so we only need to take 2 jumps. So when we take off 0.5, we end up with 6.1, and then we take off another 2, we are at 4.1. So the answer is 4.1. Okay, here we've got another decimal subtraction problem, but slightly different. We've got 8.4 take away something equals 1.7. So we start the same way on our number line at 8.4, and because 0.4 is less than 0.7, we know it's going to be 3 jumps. So we're going to take 1 jump, a big jump, and a little jump. But we need to work out what those jumps are. So we're going to jump back to 8. And that first jump is going back, we're taking away 0.4. Then our next jump needs to take us to 2, the number just above 1.7. So we're going to be taking away 6. And then we've taken away, and then we've got to jump a little bit back to get to 1.7. So we need to take away 0.3 to get there. So if we add these numbers together, 0.3 plus 0.4 is 0.7, plus 6, our answer is 6.7. You might like to pause the tutorial here, have a go at working it out, jumping 3 jumps back on the number line, and press play when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. On our number line we start at 9.3, and we're going to take 3 jumps back. Our first jump is going to take us back to 9. Our second jump needs to take us back to just before 4.6, so it's going to take us back to 5, and then our last jump takes us to 4.6. So the first jump, we're going back 0.3, taking away, then we're going to take away 4 to get from 9 to 5, and then finally we want to take away 0.4. So if we add 0.4 and 0.3 and 4 together, we get our answer, which is going to be 4.7.